Hiya, I'm Tom. I'm the head chef here at London College of Fashion, East Bank. The dish that I will be cooking for you today is the Nacho Chilli bowl. First we prep and sweat a load of onions with our big paddle-like spatula. Then it's on to preparing our lovely fresh vegetables. We use local supplies wherever possible. These come from our local supplier just outside London. We'll cook these in a separate fryer. Courgettes, carrots and kidney beans get added in. Then we make our spice mix from smoked paprika, cumin, cinnamon and garlic and onion powder. This really helps intensify the flavour. Give that a big stir. Onto the meat from our farmer friends in the Lake District. We'll marinate the meat and add that to the onions. Then add a big pinch of seasoning and slowly sweat that down. Now, going to make our salsa. Let's get our knife nice and sharp. Fresh tomatoes, cucumber, coriander, chili and sweet corn get mixed together. Here's a little tip when you're using limes. If you rub them quite hard on a board, it helps get more juice out. Okay, time to plate up the salsa. I love the flavour of this, looks and tastes so fresh. And let's take our finished dishes to the service. We've got the chili tortillas and rice. Beautiful, I love this dish.